I am Romar Z. Arcilla, fourth year student of BS Criminology Section 1. So, today's video, I demonstrate some parts or components inside and outside of the computer. So we have case, we have motherboard, power supply, and graphics card. Also we have CPU, RAM, hard drive, and solid state drive. Yun yung mga components of computer. So number one is ito, case. So case, it is the metal and plastic box that contains the main components of the computer, including dyan yung CPU, yung motherboard, yan. And also the purpose of case is to protectan yung ibang components sa loob, and to avoid accident. Kasi minsan di maiwasan yung mga accident, katulad ng mabuhusan ng tubig, o kaya naman pag nakapatong mahihiyan ng pusa, ganyan. Kaya itong case na to, yung purpose niya is to protect some components inside the case. The next part naman is itong motherboard. It is the motherboard. It's the heart of the computer. Kumbaga, ito yung central electrical circuit ng computer by connecting different parts, and provides socket and slots for essential components tulad ng CPU, RAM, graphics card, storage drives, and expansion cards. Yan. Ito yung purpose ng motherboard. The next part naman is itong power supply. So it is the parts provided electricity that activate the entire computer system. So alam naman natin na hindi under yung computer kapag walang power supply. So ang purpose ng power supply is parang dito lahat na kumukuha, diba? kumukuha ng supply para mapandar yung some parts of the computer. So the next part naman is itong graphic cards. So it is a computer expansion cards that generates a feed of graphics output to a display device such as a monitor. So itong graphics card, ito yung nakikita natin sa monitor, yung mga display, mga image na monitor, yan. Next part naman is itong CPU o yung tinatawag nating Central Processing Unit. So ito yung parang brain ng computer. So it is the primary component of a computer that operating system and apps. It contains circuit board, memory and RAM of the computer. So itong CPU naglalaman ng yan, pasok dyan yung memory and yung mga apps at nag-operate to computer. Next part naman is itong RAM. So it is the memory space that houses of temporary data. So itong purpose ng RAM, ito yung kapag nagbukas ka ng computer, ito yung mga pag binuksan mo yung computer, ito yung mga activities na gagawin mo while naka-open yung computer, yung mga programs na or application na gagamitin mo. So ito yung temporary na mare-record ng RAM if naka-open siya. Pero kapag pinatay mo na yung computer, of course lahat ng mga activities or program or ginamit mo na application, wala na, hindi na makikita. So the next part naman is itong hard drive. It is a storage device that stores digital information. So the best common example nito is yung sa cellphone, yung memory card. So yung memory card contains such as files, yan, music, photos, documents. Same din dito sa computers. Ito yung parang memory card ng computer na that operates yun nga, yung mga documents, files, yan, mga photos. The last part, itong solid state drive. So parang same lang siya nitong hard drive. Ito naman, solid state drive is nagre-record din siya. So hindi katulad nitong RAM. So itong RAM, kapag na-open mo yung computer, then yung mga activities or mga apps na ginawa mo, mga activities na ginawa mo, mga apps na binuksan mo, ito kapag pinatay mo yung computer, hindi mo na makikita yung mga activities na ginawa mo. Hindi katulad nitong solid state drive, kamukha nito, nare-record din siya. Then ito pa isa pa yung purpose nito is nagpapabilis din sa program ng computer.